What's up, Internet? This is DJ Robzilla. I am here to tell you about a very special announcement that I got going on for this year. So, I have always wanted to do this, and I just had never had the equipment or the time, but now I do. So I am super excited to announce DJ Robzilla's Skratch tutorial series. So I know there's already a lot of Skratch tutorial videos out there. Some of them super high def quality with amazing superstar DJs giving great advice. And, I don't want to take anything away from that. However, I think I do actually have a unique perspective on turntablism and scratching that could help you elevate your skills, bring them to a new level, deepen your existing knowledge, and maybe even learn things a little bit faster than you could before. I plan to release at least one video per week, starting off with basic topics like how to do a baby scratch, why DJ, what kind of equipment do I need to get started, what kind of software do I need to get started, things like how to do a basic loop of a break, like a funk break, how to match beats and count bars, how to drop it on the one. Super basic stuff that every DJ should know how to do. Once I have the basic foundation laid down for y'all, then we'll move into some more advanced topics so we can improve your scratch vocabulary and deepen your knowledge. Scratching is very much like a language. Together we'll learn the important concepts one step at a time. And I think even some of my more advanced homies will appreciate the way I dive deeper into some of the more basic topics and get some benefit out of even learning or watching my video on the baby scratch. Because I'm not just going to teach the baby scratch, I want to teach how to do the best baby scratch, how to deepen your foundational knowledge so that when you learn the more advanced concepts, you're already ready and you're gonna sound even cleaner and funkier for it. Most people learn the baby scratch and think, move the record back and forth. That's it, right? Wrong. We are gonna go in depth and deepen your knowledge of even the most basic cuts. To stay up on new tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I'm gonna leave in the comments for y'all. Of course, check out my website, djrobzilla.net, and make sure you follow my Twitch channel at twitch.tv/djrobzilla so you can see me go live every Saturday and Sunday from 5 to 7 p.m. when I play dope ass hip hop, funk, and EDM. So, let's go. Peace, y'all. Have a funky ass day. See you next week.